We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cayenne. The Cayenne was an instant success for Porsche, earning both critical praise and popular acceptance while reaching 100,000 in sales faster than any Porsche model ever. Porsche just continues to improve it and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.